just received a new bike from DYU Electric Bikes. It's the model C3 14, and I'm super excited about this one. I will show it to you right away. I will unpack it and see how it looks. I saw some pictures and photos on their website, and looks amazing, but of course that nothing compares with the real thing. So I'm really excited. Let's see what it is inside the box. Okay, so the bicycle is almost assembled. We just have to lift the handle because it's folded. Here we have the manual, we have the charger, we have oh, this is really handy. We have all the tools that we need to assemble. Like, this is pretty handy. And of course the pedals. So all we need to do is to remove all these plastics, then put the pedals, put the seat, and to lift this this handle. So I think I will remove all the plastic and everything, and then I will ask my husband for help. I don't want to mess anything, so I think he is better on doing it. So the seat is already in place. I put the pedals. My husband is checking the brakes to see if everything is safe and secure. And I think this was pretty much it. It was really easy to assemble. I think I could do it myself as well, but of course I want to make sure that everything gets in place and nothing gets loose, so it's safe to ride. And here she is. Here are the controllers. So this is the power button, and this is the basically the engine button. With this button you can use it for the lights as well. You just need to press it for 5 seconds, and then the rear light and the front light are on. Let me show it to you. And also with this, so this is the rear light, and this is the front light. So you just need to press this button for approximately 5 seconds and the lights will be on. This bike can be ridden with pedal assistance and full electric. It has full electric mode as well. And you can use the same button for cruise control. So while you're getting to a certain speed, you can simply push that button and it will stay on that speed. It has an adjustable seat, which is very convenient because depending on your height, you can adjust that for a comfortable riding. Now the handle is foldable, and you have this safety here to put it on to make it sure that it won't I don't know, while riding, to be safer in place and make sure that your handle will stay in place. And let me show you how to unfold that. The handle is really easy to do it, so I will just take off the brake and then push on that handle, and it's like this, and it's really convenient that you can put it in your trunk in your car and have a nice bicycle ride.